informed us that you were walking, you were not running, yeah?
Yeah.
Were you running or were you walking?
I think I was fast walking. Yeah.
Estimatedly, how much time did it take you to arrive at your place?
No, the place is far.
Is it an hour? Is it 2 hours? Remember, we were not.
For the record, already he said place is too far, but he said it in a low voice. Please raise your voice.
That place is far.
That's far.
Yeah.
But estimatedly, how much time, sir? An hour? Is it 2 hours?
Not an hour.
Not an hour. Okay.
Let's say under 40 minutes.
Okay.
Or something. Yeah.
Okay. And actually, is your evidence that on your way home, you decided to discard or to throw away this piece of evidence? I'm talking about the clothes.
Can I talk?
Oh, yes.
Oh. When I left the scene, that's when I was going to throw away the clothes. Same time when I left the scene.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it at the very same place that is the George Lee Park?
Where I throw away the clothes?
Yes.
No.
Where?
It's in one of the streets.
In one of the streets.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you discard this piece of evidence? How did you throw them away?
In the train.
In the train. How did you do that? Can you show us? Remember, we were not there.
It's a train. I just pushed them inside.
Yes?
Yeah, I just pushed them inside the train.
And what else did you do? Take your time. What else did you do?
I think I stood to check or something.
Sorry?
I think I stood to check or something.
What is it that you are checking?
Like if it's seeable.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wanted to ensure that no one will actually pick up that you were in possession of the deceased clothes. You wanted to ensure.
Not like initially for people, because I don't think you always see like things inside the train, but no one would go and take things out of the train. So I was just throwing them away.
And on your arrival at your rest, who did you inform about this?
Our caretaker's girlfriend is Norma, and then I told 2 students.
Okay, let's start with Norma.
Yeah.
Yeah. When did you relate this to her?
I think like 2 days after or a day after. Like maybe two or a day after.
Okay. What about the other students?
That could have been like the next weekend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it correct that you informed us that you also related this to your father?
Yeah, I did.
Before I proceed talking about that, we were informed when we started that the father of the deceased is one of the witnesses that will be called. the father of the accused is one of the witnesses that will be called. At a later stage, the father and the other lady were advised to go and be seated outside. May I find out whether is that the position, because I say that the father of the deceased is seated in court. The father of the accused.
Right, let me just double check that one. Yeah, the father, thank you very much for noticing that. I was going to address the Honourable Court at the later stage to inform the court that based on what we laid on its plate, it seems there won't be any need to call the father. But you could remember that we tendered documents from the father. That was primarily to confirm address in Middleburg and so on. About issue that you told Norma whether it's common cause, no one is disputing it. Thank you very much. So he may stay in court, if I may.
Now this. Okay, is Norma, is two other students. Who else did you relate this to? The incident, the murder, who else did you inform about this incident that you witnessed?
My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend. Okay. Are you intending to call her as well?
Call her for what?
To testify?
That I told her.
Sir?
That I told her.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's gonna be up to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us this. One of the things yesterday that you told this court about is that you have always been helping people. In one of the documents that was handed in, that is from your class, from your school, also support that.
Now, the school, let me just correct that. The school cannot give anything. The school's principal.
Yeah, but the principal is from, I don't know whether my learned colleague wants to waste the court's time by jumping up and down. We are here, he was given 2 days. And at no stage did I object. It was only once when he was leading this court. May he be advised to stop doing that. He's wasting our time.
So the principal wrote the letter, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And he's also saying that you are helping people. You remember that this incident took place on the 29th of October?
Yes.
And you were arrested, was it on the 27th of November?
26 November.
26 November, okay. And at that stage, the state or the police officers, they did not have a clue as to who to link to this offense. You'll agree with me? Because there was no one was arrested.
Yeah.
It took almost a month for you to be linked. You'll agree with me?
Yeah.
As a good person, as a person that you want us to believe that is helping others, what was in your mind with regard to the family of the deceased? Their daughter have passed away, and no one knows except you. What came to your mind?
That's the thing. Like, I didn't know that I'm the only one that knows. I thought that maybe, like, after like I left and all that stuff, you guys are gonna find like the person.
But does that makes any difference?
Well,
Okay.
Oh, no, you can carry on.
I mean, why do you spend 2 to 5 days before you relate or inform any other person so that the family of the deceased can be assisted? Why did it happen like that?
There's too many people sitting in jail for crimes they didn't commit.
I don't know that. And that is not my question. My question is, before informing Norma, correct me if I'm wrong, you said it was after 2 days. Am I correct? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
You are having that crucial information, sir. Why do you sit with that information?
I didn't want to be involved with the police.
So is it not correct that you are saying to us that you did not commit this offense?
Yeah.
But what is it that we're scared of? Remember, in terms of your conscious, your mindset, you know that I'm not the one. You know that. What is it that was so difficult then in relating the information?
Oh, it was difficult. I wish I did, but here I am.
The advocate asked you yesterday as to whether are you right in terms of your mindset. What was your answer, by the way?
I said I'm right.
Do you think so? Are you not sick?
No.
Okay, after a period of 5 days, you then related this to your fellow students.
Yeah.
Tell us this, why did you inform Mrs. Norma? What was the reason? Why did you relate this to her?
Because like she's a divorce attorney. Like she also works in courts, so like I needed like guidance on what to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And what guidance or advice that you got from this attorney?
She said that if I didn't do it, there's nothing to worry about.
And what else?
That's it.
What are the full names of Norma?
I just know Norma.
Are you going to call her as a witness or you don't know? It's going to depend on the legal team.
It depends on them.
That is all that she advised you.
Yeah.
She did not want the two of you to go to the place where you have witnessed this incident.
No.
Why did you not call the SAPS?
Because I was
But not just let me finish. But not mention your name.
Sorry?
Why did you not call the SAPS but not mention your name? Just to say that at a certain place I've witnessed this and that. Why did you not do that?
I wanted to, but like I don't know about how these reporting things work. Like, what if they ask me who's this, or are you at the scene, or come to the police stage? See, so yeah.
But it's the first time that we are hearing that you wanted to do that. At the time that you were testifying, you did not mention that. What is the reason?
You're only asking me the question now.
Your attorney was asking you questions, sir. Was leading you, laying the basis, the groundwork. At no stage did you mention this. Why do you mention now?
Like, was I not asked if, like, you guys asked me, why didn't I report it?
No. Question is, why did you not call the SAPS?
Because of the
I'm saying it's the first time that you're informing us that you wanted to do that. You agree with me?
Yeah, like I've been wanting to like talk about it, but I didn't know how.
Yes, but I'm saying you agree with me that it's the first time that we're hearing about this.
Yeah.
Why did you not mention it? Remember the last question, I'm going to be short and brief. The last question that my learned colleague put to you was whether, is there anything else that you would like to add? That was yesterday, you remember that? And the only thing that you said yes, I would like to thank my school, my family. You remember that?
Yes.
Why did you not inform us that you wanted to call the SAPS?
I wasn't thinking about that.
Is it not because it did not happen? You never thought about it due to the fact that you knew that the person that have committed this offense is yourself?
No.
One of the things that you informed us was that the security company 24/7 is all over the place at George Lee Park.
It's all over Parkmore.
Parkmore. And one of the pictures that were handed in, picture of a gate, you saw two vehicles that belong to 24/7.
24/7.
And one of the things that I observed yesterday is that there are cell phone numbers that are appearing there.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Correct.
As you were walking, being in possession of the clothes, why did you not call 24/7?
While I'm holding the clothes?
Yes, as you're walking, you're in possession of clothes. Yeah, just to make a call, but again, not mentioning your name. Why did you not do that?
I was scared still, yo. I was still scared. The same reason why I didn't call the police.
Scared of what, sir?
Of prison.
Of prison?
Yeah.
When did you start? When did it begin this year, on that day?
Like what do you mean?
You're saying you're scared. When did it actually start in terms of having fear?
Like when I almost got locked up in grade 11 for like...
No, my apologies. On that
All right,
day,
so we're going to come out of that temporarily, of course, where we're continuing to see the bail application of Bafana Mahungela, who is the 21-year-old man who is facing charges for the premeditated murder and rape of 34-year-old teacher Kirsten Kluyts. And as he gives his testimony, he's been questioned around his actions once he found the body of Kirsten Kluyts. Of course, he maintains that he found her body already dead. He maintains, though, that when he found her laying there, he turned her over and maintains that he then took off her clothes and shoes. Of course, a lot of questions there around why he would then take the clothes off of a body that he then found. And then a lot of the questions there around when he did communicate that a body had indeed been found. And he says that it was 5 days later that he had told a few other people. 2 days later, he spoke to fellow students at the varsity that he was in attendance to, and says he spoke to a divorce lawyer for advice on when on what to do, but also days after the discovery of the body, as he maintains is his story. He's also being questioned there about why he had not informed authorities once that body has been found, as he continues to maintain. And towards the end there, we heard him also being questioned around why he had not been informing the security company that he says was very much present in the Parkmore area where the body of Kirsten Kluyts